Sami Tech, 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 Sami Tech. ሃይ የሳሚ ቴክ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ተከታታዮች እንዴት ናችሁ? እኔ በጣም ደህና ነኝ፣ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። ይዤላችሁ የመጣሁት ስራ ደግሞ ዛሬ ልክ ይሄ እንደምታዩት ነው። with mask or without mask. no mask or with mask። ስለዚህ ማሳያችሁ ማስክ ሳደርግም ማስክ አደርጋለሁ ይለኛል። ማስኩን ሪሙቭ ካደረኩት ደግሞ ኖ ማስክ ይለኛል ማለት ነው። እሺ ይሄ ነገር ለመስራት ምን ተጠቀምኩ? in order to implement this classification with mask and without mask, first we prepare this data set. With mask, this amounts of data set, around 2063 items of with mask images. In order to train my machine or the model or the algorithm, we use these amounts of images with mask, each with different directions, with different perspectives, with different brightness, with different angles of camera. We collect these amounts of with mask image, 2063 image, and without mask this amount 1909 without mask, including my image or my personal image, including with different angles of the camera and with different brightness location, with different zooming, with different direction of your neck. Yes. We use these amounts of data set, and then what I do, we copy this link, this image directory address C users HP pictures data set, and without mask መጨረሻ ላይ ራን አድርጌ አሳያችኋለሁ after the end of this share. Then I replace this dataset and redirect to the dataset folder. Good. Then next what I do, run this. The output is with mask 0, without mask 1, with mask and without mask 2 binary classifications. Shift plus enter to run this cell. After time it will be completed. By the way, it's better to skip this one. I will show you again at the end of this project. Good. Then the output is this, and also the height and width of the images here, and the patch size also included here. Good. Next one, we augment the data. Already I will show you the number of images, 2000 plus 1, around 4000, and we should augment this in order to increase the number of training data sets with different angles, different shrink and zooming, rotation versus of the single image. So we apply all images this attribute or property: sharing range, zoom range, horizontal flip, validation split. From total images, 0.2% of the dataset for validation, and the remaining 0.8 or 80% for training. Rotation 25, meaning 25, 50, 7500 at 4 views. And also then when we run this one, shift plus enter, the output is this one: 7179 images belong to two classes. Binary class is with mask or without mask. With mask and without mask 793 images belong to two classes. For this is for testing, and this is for training the model. Then when we run the next cell image size 100 data target. This is image list of arrays because image is a two-dimensional array. So when we run, we get this one. Then finally on the next, when we run this libraries, before that I run this all libraries. In order to use the following any methods and libraries, we first should import these libraries. Good. Then when we import again this, we get this. Run again, shift plus enter. White, yes. Run again, shift plus enter. Good. Also train our model. In order to train our model, first include this layers, conventional layers. RALU activation function, software activation function for 50 dense layers, this one, and finally for the output of fully connected layer to class or categories with mask and mask. These are so other layers or hidden layers. Input is this one, input layer, and when we run this, no problem. I think shift press enter. Yeah, no problem. Good. Then next from scalar model, select import train split test split train test split. ለትሬኒንግ ያዘጋጀሁት አለ ሶስት ስፕሊት መደረግ መቻል አለበት እንደገና ለቴስት ተብሎ ማለት ነው ወደ 0.1 ሳይዝ እንግዲህ then when train this one, no problem. Okay, good. Here is the problem. I can't run this shell because it needs much time in order to finish this 20 epochs. Under 20 each single epoch there is 89 per 89 batches, so it is difficult to write to train this cell at now. I already run or train the model, so it is best to pass as it is. Use, or you can see this 72%, 79%, 89%, 86% accuracy, 91, 91, 92, 93, 92, 92, finally 90% accurate validation accuracy, and training accuracy is 97. It is needs to accurate more, so it is better to pass as it is because it needs so much time to train this one. ብዙ ሰዓት ስለሚፈጅብኝ as it is ባልፎ ነው የሚሻለው ማለት ቀድሜ ራና አድርጌዋለሁ። በዚህ መሰረት ነው አንተ plot when we plot the training and the validation graph, this it looks like this one. This is the loss, training and validation loss. When we run this cell model value test data and test target, it shows very small accuracy is low. I don't know what happened. እዚህ ጋር 92 እያለ እዚህ ጋር ለምን 50 እንደሚሆን አልገባኝም። anyways don't worry about it. When we go to the next one, it's already 50%. I don't know, ስላለፍኩት ይመስለኛል ትሬኒንግ። anyways run again this one, wait until it finishes. እንጠብቀው ትንሽ ይሄን እስኪጨርስ። it's better to wait. በጣም ጥሩ sorry yeah ጨርሰን without error. It finishes without error. Yeah, finally this is the last cell that we went or surprised while true or runs ከሆነ ድረስ ምን በለው ኦን ሆኖ ካሜራው ኦን ሆኖ every face detect ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። so shift plus enter or press this run button yeah, the camera is on and live video capturing ቀጥሏል ማለት ነው without mask እያለ ነው no mask I see when we try to wear my mask just it already starts to work yeah mask አላውን እያለ ነው ይሄን ወደ ተሰርዶ no mask እያለ ነው ማለት ነው so this is my work thank you ቪዲዮውን ላይክ ሼር ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉት ቀይ እንዳታደርጉት አረንጓዴ አድርጉት በጣም ጥሩ ሼር አድርጉት ሰርፕራይዝ ከናችሁ የተሰማችሁን ስሜት any feeling please write on the comment area thank you have a nice time please share like subscribe my YouTube channel good day